Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're taking a look at a new lineup from JLab. This is their Go Work series, and we have 4 products here. We do have a couple products missing, such as the Go Cam and a version of this mouse, which are not available right now. They are out of stock, but they should be in stock here mid-May. And then they are releasing 3 different tiers of this series. We have the Go series, we're going to have the J-Bud series, and then we're going to have the Epic series. And they kind of go up in price and feature set the higher you go up. Everything here is going to be under $50. This mouse is $15, the keyboard is $20, the microphone and headset are both $49. And this same mouse does come in a rechargeable version for $5 more at $20. So we're just going to take a quick look at all these products here. I'm going to unbox everything. I will have chapters in this video, so if you want to see a specific product, check the chapters below and you can skip to that product. So first thing we're going to check out is the keyboard and mouse. So I'm just going to set these off to the side real quick over here. And we're going to take a look at the mouse real quick. This is Bluetooth or USB dongle compatible, and it runs on a AA battery, which is included. And the Go line is made to be their portable line, so slip it in your bag, on the go, that kind of stuff, whereas the other ones are meant for a desktop kind of setup. Let's see. Oop, I'm dropping it. Probably a better way, yep. There is indeed a better way to do this. Give me 1 second. Alright. Alright, so we have a little instruction thing here showing you where the USB dongle is and how to pair it. Alright, so it is a 4-button mouse. You do have a middle click, scroll wheel left, right, and your middle button right here. So you can see we can pair the 2.4 gigahertz USB receiver and then two Bluetooth devices, so 3 devices total. And we do have that AA battery included, the little pull tab to activate it there, and then we have your USB dongle inside the mouse for storage, which is really nice. So just a nice little portable, small little mouse to carry around, use with your tablet, laptop, something like that, if you don't want to use your trackpad. So that is the JLab Go mouse. I will provide links to all this stuff down in the description as well. And then we have the keyboard here. I should have pre-cut these. Alright, and again we have your instructions right here, and the batteries are not pre-installed in this one, they are down in the bottom right here. I'll get those out later. Again, 2.4 gigahertz or Bluetooth compatible, so you have 3 different possible connections there. Right here you have a media dial for volume, play, pause, track, forward and back, and track back right there, and it is all built into the keyboard, no software required. Again, you have your batteries and USB storage on the bottom. So, a very nice little keyboard. Keys are pretty nice. They kind of feel like just like your standard laptop keys. And then you have your media dial right here, which is clicky, and then you can press it. So, very nice little keyboard. You have your connect button right here. and your batteries just go in the bottom right there. I'll probably use this with my iPad or something like that. Maybe at my desk I can keep that there, throw it in the drawer when I'm not using it. Nice to just stow away. But nice little keyboard for portable use there from JLab. And then let me just put those over to the side. Next we have the Go Talk, which is just a compact studio quality sound microphone. I will be doing some audio tests on this. I'll probably do a video of the whole setup, reviewing everything after this. Alright, got it open here. Slide that off. And this is a plug and play microphone, so you don't need any software. It just works with your computer. This can be mounted on a mount or used with the stand. It does have a very nice aluminum stand. I believe it just goes on like so. I think that's backwards. There we go. Goes on just like that, so you have a nice aluminum stand. Again, you can mount it, which I believe that is included. So you can also fold that up, take it with you, put it in a bag. Yep, right here is your screw. So you can put that on. Let's see, I think that goes. In here to keep it in, there's a little plug that goes in to keep it in place when you're not using that. I'll get that in a second. And then you can also use this if you want to mount it on like a microphone arm or something like that. And then we have your USB cable, USB-A to USB-C. So very nice to see they are using USB-C on this, which they are also, if you get the rechargeable version of the mouse, they are also using USB-C on that as well. So this is the Go Talk. Got a lot of stuff over here. The Go Talk right there from JLab. Again, I will be doing tests of all this stuff in a later video. This is just unboxing everything in the new lineup. Gonna set that aside over there, and then last but not least, we have the Go Work wireless headset, which does have a built-in microphone for conference calls and stuff like that. Again, these are using USB Type-C, very nice to see. All that is in this box right here. So it looks like a pretty comfortable headset. You have your foldable mic. You can also switch directions, so if you want it on your left, or you can flip it around, have it on your right. Whatever you do choose. The ear cups are labeled left and right though. So that may affect your audio, but it does go both ways if you want to do that. Just a nice lightweight video conferencing headset. If you need to make a call on your computer or something like that, throw these things on. Very nice little headset there. Again, everything here in this lineup is under $50. They do have some new stuff coming out here in June for the next two lineups that go up in kind of quality and feature set. For I want to say about $80 to $100 for those. But this is the Go Work series from JLab. Thank you to JLab for sending all this out for review, and I will be checking out that other stuff once it comes out as well. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.